Hello everyone, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Floki Shiba token, my friends. Floki Shiba token is one of the best and now trending in the cryptocurrencies market. But now in this time the changes is unbelievable. And you know what, my friends, my prediction about Floki Shiba token is 100% positive. F Shiba will give you good amount of profit in the last of July month. So especially, my friends, the short-term investor wake up in the market. It's time to buy more and more Floki Shiba token. Absolutely, the price will pump and that will give you good amount of profit, my friends. You can see that now the changes is neutral, but my prediction is positive. So I'm sure that they will take a pump, my friends. It's a pumping time of the Floki Shiba token, my friends. You can see here, my friends, just look the price chart of the Floki Shiba token. Absolutely, they also taken a huge pump. You can see here, and the July, the price of the Floki Shiba token is start explosion. You can see here, that's really a huge pump of the Shiba token. So if you want to invest in a Floki Shiba token, so now the price of the Floki Shiba token is low. So it's also a low price cryptocurrency. So I really recommend for all of you, especially for a new investor, those people who want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market. So I think Floki Shiba token is the best option for all of you, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price statistic about the Floki Shiba token. You can see there is no a lot of data available about the Floki Shiba token, but now the trading volume, you can see here that a lot of I think 6 million above the trading volume of the Shiba token mapping. So I think the changes of the Shiba token is going good. That's why I really recommend for all of you. And you can see that is now the trending token in the market. You can see trending coin and token in the cryptocurrencies market. So now Floki Shiba token is the top token in the market who's trending at this time in the cryptocurrencies market. So how do you feel about the Floki Shiba token? Please share your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.